Hootsuite Streams display content from your connected social accounts, offering an easy way to engage with your audience and keep track of social activities happening across all your social channels. In one place, you can monitor things like post engagement, conversations, mentions, keywords, and hashtags, and respond right away rather than visiting all your social profiles individually. If this is your first time in Streams, select an option and pick which stream you want to add. If you're unsure, we recommend starting with My Posts and Mentions to see how people are directly engaging with your brand on social media. Click Add to Dashboard to finalize. After this, additional streams can be added as needed. Once a stream is added, notice that the engagement metrics for each of your posts are also visible. From here, you can easily engage in conversations by resharing, commenting, and liking posts. Keep in mind, each social profile type offers different stream functionality, so what you can do within each stream will vary. For example, with Instagram, you can reshare posts to your own profile from a hashtag stream. And with Facebook, you can track mentions of your business page. You can also specify how often the streams refresh, and adjust the view to allow for more or less screen content. Search streams empower you to undertake ongoing monitoring of things like hashtags and keywords. Once you set up your searches, the search results will be continually updated in the streams. Different networks can be actively searched in different ways. For example, those with Instagram business accounts can search up to 30 unique hashtags in a 7-day period, and then easily join relevant conversations. You can search Twitter using relevant keywords or hashtags. For example, monitor positive mentions using terms that include your brand name and the keywords "love it." When adding search terms, do not use commas to separate terms. Instead, use spaces, which provide results that include all terms. To pull results that contain either term, type "or." If you're looking for a specific phrase, use quotation marks. Another tip when selecting your search terms is to spend time thinking about how people mention your brand day to day, such as popular abbreviations, as well as any common misspellings. Once you've selected your terms, click Search. After a stream is live, you can modify your search terms if needed. Within a hashtag stream, you can filter even further by follower size or additional keywords. Now that you have a number of streams set up, notice that they are housed within a board. Boards are useful for organizing streams. You can add up to 20 boards to group streams together by social network, campaign, engagement, or search type. Each board can hold up to 10 streams. Click a board to rename it according to its content. Now add streams and social networks within this board. Saving a Twitter quick search stream will add it to whichever board you performed the search from. Drag and drop boards to rearrange them, then minimize the pane for more screen space. You can easily access your boards without reopening the panel. Delete a board to permanently remove its contents from your dashboard. Many Hootsuite users start out by creating a dedicated board for each of the social networks they manage. As you gain experience with Hootsuite, you'll likely start organizing your boards and streams in a way that best fits with your social media goals.